With Aweber's blog broadcast feature, you've always been able to use your RSS feed to generate newsletters. But did you know there's a better way to do it? Check it out. With the blog broadcast tool, you enter in your blog's RSS feed, and you'll see a breakdown of what a template will look like with the variables in there. But you can't really drag and drop or do anything. And a lot of people also don't choose to send automatically, meaning you have to actually go and manually send each broadcast generated from your blog. Now, all you need to do is create a message, in this case, we'll choose a template for our email right here. I'm just going to clear these rows to make a little bit of room here. Drag in our RSS feed feature. Paste in my blog's RSS feed, and you'll see those excerpt posts appear right there. Now from here we can add categories, change the number of posts shown, change the order which they're shown by date, or even the layout. We can remove the image, the author, or even the date as well. Now once we do this, we can also save our template for future use. So when we want to use this again, we'll be easily able to pull it out of the template gallery. Let's finish up by giving our newsletter a subject line. And then we'll schedule it to be sent. So once it's scheduled and sent, this is how we can kind of automate this process. We're going to go where we can see our sent broadcasts and click Copy to Drafts. And then back over in Drafts, click to edit the message. We'll see our old RSS feed excerpt. All we need to do is refresh, and it'll automatically refresh to our newest blog content. This way, all we need to do is keep copying the last week's content, refresh the blog content, and schedule and send out our new email with a fresh set of blog excerpts. So come try this out in Aweber today, and if you don't have an account, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.